on-shelf VersaPusher kit. So in each kit, you're going to receive everything that you see in front of you here. The front retainer, the front extrusion, wing nuts if you're using a wire shelf. However, if you're using a flat shelf or a sheet metal shelf, you'll have a magnetic extrusion. It will just clip straight on. You've got your pusher housings here, and then you've got your dividers. Installing the front extrusion and the front retainer. The front retainer has little notches inside of it here, and the notches correspond with the notches in the front extrusion. Simply line them up, push it through, and you've installed it just like so. From here, we're going to get it onto the shelf. So place your front extrusion in line with the shelf edge, exactly where you want it to be. Grab your wing nuts and your Phillips head screwdriver, and then you're ready to go. To affix the front extrusion to the wire shelf, simply put the bolt down through the wire shelf, affix the nut to the bottom, and screw it into place like so. Now that's going to give you enough hold for you to do the other one before you go back and tighten it up. All right, let's get some pushers in and the dividers in. So you have two end dividers. They're color coded by the black here that you can see. On each divider, you've got this lip at the front. The lip corresponds with the lip that is in the front extrusion. Simply put it into place, lock it down, and drop it in. There's our left divider. We can now take our right edge divider, same thing, lip into the extrusion, drop it down into place. There we go, the shelf is aligned. Now, your pusher housing. With your pusher housing, there is two small buttons at the back here that you can push, which allows you to rotate the paddle. So if we put the paddle up, that's for a product that's going to be straight, like this box of Fasuli that we've got here, that would be straight. However, if you're using anything that's in a packaged or bag that's got air or anything into it, you want to limit the amount of force that's being put through the packaging. So we simply align it back like that. At the front, there is another lip here, which also fits into the lip of the front extrusion, exactly the same as the end dividers. You simply take it, get it here, clip it in, push it down, and Bob's your uncle. From here, you're going to get your internal divider, put your internal divider in, same clipping system, and in it goes. From here, we grab our lovely natural confectionery jellies, bang them into place, align the dividers to ensure that it fits with the planogram, and there we go. Auto fronting, beautifully pushing,